Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is objective of database. There are three main objectives of database. First is data integration, second data integrity, third data independence. Data integration. In file-based system, data is stored in separate file and independent files. It is difficult to store and access data to and from different files. In database, files or tables or other objects are integrated into a single file. A single database file contains multiple tables and a relationship can be created between tables. This makes easy to retrieve and update data. Logically, the data is centralized. Physically, data can be located on different servers or may be scattered over different locations, but it can be connected through data communication links. Second is data integrity. Data integrity means the reliability and accuracy of data. If data items is stored in several files, then all files must be updated if the data item is changed. In database, only one copy of data is kept, therefore data is more consistent. Integrity is usually expressed in terms of certain constraints. These are the consistency rules that check the data before storing it into database. These rules can be applied to database so that the correct data can be entered into the database. Third objective of database is data independence. Database provide the facility of data independence. The data structure of database and application program that use the data are separate from each other. The user can easily change the structure of database without modifying the application program. Similarly, user can modify application program without changing the structure of database. This is called data independence. On the other hand, in file-based system, the structure of data items is built into the individual application program. Thus, the data is dependent upon the data files and data files are dependent on data. So today we have discussed objectives of database. There are three main objectives of database: data integration, data integrity and data independence. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.